Hello, Joy Guru Shankar. We first of all thank Government of Assam for inauguration of the museum for preserving Vrindavani Vastu. Hello viewers across the world. Do you know what is Vrindavani Brasta? Vrindavani cloth, Vrindavan, that is the name of our pious place. And Vrindavani cloth, first of all, we want to tell you about Vrindavani cloth. Vrindavani cloth, as people are now saying, this is a single cloth, not exactly that. It is series of cloth industry. It is established by Saint Sankradeva, and it is supervised by Mathuradas Burhata. Now many people now have very misconception regarding that cloth. That is a simple piece of cloth. It was produced by weavers of Tatikushi of Barpeta. It is not. It is series of cloth industry spread across the world. It is very safely preserved by British Museum, but it is available or it is scattered in many parts of the world, especially on New York State Museum of USA, Paris, Hong Kong, Tibet, and Nepal. In these places also, this cloth is available. Therefore, hello people of Assam also, this is called cloth industry. We should sustain that industry for future generation. That gamusha nowadays we take as identity of Assam. That is also we can say part of Vrindavani Brasto. Now, hope everybody understand regarding Vrindavani Brasto. Thank you. Joy Guru Shankar.